one of the mandatory penalty is that we have to buy the winner a meal. So that's why we're here. Why do I have to say it? Wayne, Wayne, let me know, Wayne. Oh, why is he zooming in? Why is he not like that? Cái này hả? Cái này hả? Can on gate. Shoot, I should say that.
What I do?
你这一块。喂，吃饱了。
Dude, I have to like.
No, cái này nó nọ.
Can y'all just stand up? Stand up.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
We suck at recording. They suck at recording.
Okay.
Yeah. You?
So we lost.
You lost the game.
One of the mandatory penalty is that we have to buy the winner a meal. So that's why we're here. I mean, that's not why we're here too, because we're here for this little girl's birthday. She's turned 23.
23 years.
2年大佬的呢，你问你的为什么呢 So we're here to a meal for Yate Yente. Go ahead, take it. Take it.
Hold up, how do I switch this? Bro! How do you...
Stop it.
Alright, what? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Okay. Yeti, how do you feel? You won the challenge yesterday.
Feel good.
Feel good?
I feel bad in a way because it's Steph's
Bad.
birthday.
You shouldn't feel bad though.
But I deserve it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but happy birthday, Steph.
Yep.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tang, how do you feel about winning
Winning what?
the challenge yesterday?
Oh, the challenge yesterday?
Yeah.
I feel awesome. I knew we were gonna win.
Look here, don't look at me.
Oh, I knew we were gonna win
Oh yeah?
because I got the math on my side.
Okay, you did some calculations. Alright. That's good. Anything else you want to say?
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Alright.